Hey, CZ, fun time. Woo! What do we have here?
Play-doh.
Wow, Play-Doh. We have two chefs. We have Chef Connor. We have Chef Zoey. And what do you guys have, huh? What do you have? Play-Dohs? Let's see what you have, Connor. You got, wow, the Play-Doh pizza party. Wow, sweet. And Zoey's got the Play-Doh burger barbecue. Whoa, those are gonna be pretty cool, guys. Yeah, and looks like you guys got two helpers today, assistants, because Chef Connor and Chef Zoey may need a little help, right? Who's ready to get cooking?
Me.
Yeah, all right, okay. Let's open them up, guys. Let's open them. All right, looks like they have all their stuff laid out. Now let's get cooking, guys. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Make some hamburgers, make some pizza. All right. Okay. Woo, I'm excited. Okay, go. Yeah. Let's make the meats. Oh, cool. Wow, you guys are working the stencils really cool. Working it good. Whoa, what did you make, cutie? They look like hamburgers. They look like hamburgers, huh? Let's see, cutie. Wow. Hey, hamburger meat. All right, we'll put this one on the plate, okay? Okay, yeah. Let's make the buns and the hot dogs. Whoa, Connor's rolling using the rolling pin. Ha, Chef Connor there. Yeah, and Chef Zoey, she's making her hamburger. Whoa, nice, nice, nice. Wow, Chef Connor and Chef Zoey, they're hard at work making their pizzas and hamburgers. Yeah. Oh, that's so fun. Playing with Play-Doh is pretty fun, right, guys? They're so busy, they don't even answer me. Oh, Connor, you made a bunch, huh?
I made a tomato.
Tomatoes, huh?
I'm cutting for tomato.
You're cutting? Oh, you're making watermelon, huh, cutie? Okay. Whoa! Sister's helping you making fries. Look at that. Wow, fries. Yeah, look at that. Wow, French fries. Yeah, look at that. French fries. Whoa. They look almost like real French fries. Hey, your burger's starting to look pretty good, cutie.
Green.
Green. Oh, good job. Yeah, that's a color green. Okay, squeeze now, boy. Squeeze really hard. Hard. Whoa. Use the Hulk muscles. Whoa. Ooh, that's not easy at all. That's why. There you go. Whoa, those are pretty stringy. Whoa. They almost look like pasta. Create your pizza. Pepperoni. Yeah.
Pineapple?
You put pineapple? Yep. Some people like pineapples on there.
Green pepper.
Green pepper. Whoa, you're just stuffing it on there, boy. Here, mommy help you decorate it so that it's like spread out.
Some broccoli.
Ooh, a very healthy pizza if there is ever one. Broccolis and mushrooms and everything. Wow.
A tomato.
It's a tomato. You made brown. You made brown.
Brown tomato.
I cut it.
Yeah, that's funny, huh, boy? Wow, look at that pizza. Cut that pizza up. Cut a slice. Whoa. Cut it through. Cut into quarters. Whoa, Connor. Good job, boy. And then put it on the... Yeah.
Stick it out.
Yeah.
Smash it.
Wow, Connor. Ah, yeah. Hey, let me get a bite. Hey, look at that. Wow, look at this pizza here. Wow. Ooh, I'm gonna take a bite. Yummy. Let's open it. Let's see what's in there. Whoa, look at that pizza. Looks yummy. All right. Zoe, you ready to make your hamburger?
Oh, it's a long
Yeah? Let's make your hamburger, huh? Okay, let's put it on the plate. Make a hamburger. You get the bun.
Good.
Yeah, you have to put the meat on there. Whoa, yummy. Lettuce and tomatoes.
Done. Done?
Oh, gotta put the cheese on there. Yep, there you go. Ooh, what are those? Pickles. Pickles. And then the bun. Oh, nice. And then put some fries on there. Ooh, yummy. Man, that's a good looking hamburger. Wow, Joey, that's a big, tall hamburger. Yeah, that looks yummy. And then you gotta put, ooh, some watermelon on the side there. Cool. That's a yummy, yummy burger. So Chef Zoe and Chef Connor, they made pizza, they made hamburgers. They all look very, very yummy. I wish it was real, then I'll take a big bite out of it, right?
Only food.
Yeah, it's only Play-Doh. Yeah, not for eating, it's for play. Well, Connor and Zoe, that was really fun, huh? Yeah? Did you guys like it? Yeah? Alright. Well, guys, until next time, we'll see ya. Bye.